This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you have a compatible audio file ready and permissions granted. Once the file is in Downloads or the Notifications folder, open Settings and go to Sound and Vibration. Tap Notifications sound to see default options. This is the first place to change your global tone. If you prefer per-app sounds instead of the system default, make a quick mental note. You'll switch to app settings in the next step. Make sure media access is allowed before continuing. Next, choose or import the sound. If you stay in sound settings, tap Add or the menu to open the file picker and select your MP3 or OGG from Downloads or Notifications. For per-app tones, open the app's info, tap Notifications, then select a category like Messages and choose Sound. Placing files in the Notifications folder makes them appear fast. Once chosen, Android will preview the tone, listen, and confirm. If a file doesn't show, double-check format and folder placement. Finish by testing the new tone, trigger a notification, or use the app's preview button. Make sure your media and notification volumes aren't muted and verify Do Not Disturb isn't blocking sounds. Add exceptions if necessary. If the sound works, assign it to contacts or specific apps as desired. If it doesn't appear or play, reboot the phone, clear the offending app's cache, or convert the file to a standard MP3 or OGG and move it to the Notifications folder. This fixes most recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.